Season 1, Episode 41. Today's episode is Lou watches Get Out of my car on Ox's computer and gets grounded June 3rd, 2022.
Hi, my name is Lou, and today I am going to watch Get Out of my car on Ox's computer. You are at the hospital. Administration is right here. Get in there.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there. Get out of my car. Now.
Where is my destination?
Get out of my car. Now.
I don't know what I am. I asking you where is my destination, if you will kindly point and where I supposed to go.
I pulled into your destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said 1760.
Get out of my car now.
Sir, it said.
Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't. Fucking get out of my car.
But you are not to yell at me. You are not to yell at me.
9.
Do it. Do it. Do it. You are facing a very.
Get out right fucking now.
You are facing.
Get out of my car. I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out now.
You are facing we. You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to you any god damn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will, and I have the right.
Where am I?
You are at the hospital where you need to be. Get out of my car. Hello? Can you get her out of my car, please? That was a hilarious video I ever had.
Old friend, I can't believe you watching Get Out of my car on my computer. That's it. You are grounded until now 112, which comes out on July 22nd, 2022. Go to your room right now. See you for my next episode.